In the still of night, soft whispers of light.